Page 6. What are the states of matter? Objective. Identify and describe 4 states of matter. Key terms. State of matter. Any of the 4 physical forms of matter. Solid. State of matter with a definite shape and volume. Liquid. State of matter with a definite volume, but no definite shape. Gas. State of matter that has no definite shape or volume. Plasma. Plasma. State of matter made up of electrically charged particles. States of matter. You cool drinks with solid ice cubes. You wash your hands in liquid water. Water that evaporates from puddles after a rainstorm has changed it to a gas called water vapor. Ice, liquid water, and water vapor all are made up of particles of water. Different forms of the same substance are called states. A state of matter is any one of the 4 physical forms of matter. The 3 most familiar states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. A 4th state, plasma, is found mainly in stars like our sun. 1. Identify. In how many states can matter exist? Solids. Most of the objects that surround you are made of solids. A solid is a state of matter that has a definite shape and volume. In a solid, particles of matter are tightly packed together. The particles cannot change easily. They can only vibrate or move back and forth in place. 2. Define. What is a solid? Liquids. Milk is a liquid. A liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. Liquids are able to change shape because the particles of a liquid can change position. They can slide past one another. If you pour a liter of milk into different containers, the milk always takes the shape of the container. However, the volume of the milk stays the same. You cannot make a liter of milk fit into a half-liter bottle. Number 3. Explain. Why can liquids change shape? Gases. A gas is a state of matter that has no definite shape or volume. A gas takes the shape of its container. For example, air can take the shape of a basketball, a football, or a bicycle tire. If you fill a balloon with air, the air completely fills the balloon. A container of gas is always completely full. The particles of a gas are in constant motion. They are much farther apart than the particles in solids or liquids. They can move freely to all parts of a container. Define. What is a gas? Another state of matter. Matter can exist in a 4th state called plasma. Plasma has been found in stars, where the temperature and pressures are very high. Matter in the plasma state is made up of small, electrically charged particles. On Earth, plasma is found in lightning, auroras, and welding arcs. Scientists have been able to create plasmas in the laboratory. Such plasmas are relatively cool compared with natural plasmas. This plasma technology has been applied to many things you see every day, such as flat-screen TVs, street lamps, and fluorescent tubes. Number 5. Define. What is plasma? Checking concepts. Number 1. Plasma exists where blank and pressure are very high. Number 2. In what state of matter can particles only vibrate in place? Number 3. What happens to the shape of a liquid when you pour it into a container? Number 4. What determines the volume of a gas? Number 5. What state of matter is air? Thinking critically. What will happen to the particles of a gas if the gas is transferred from a small container to a much larger container? 7. Classify. Classify each of the following substances as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. A. Cotton cloth. B. Rain. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. E. Salt. F. Seltzer. G. Hydrogen. H. Sugar. I. Orange juice. J. Bricks.